Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got the big 450 and today we are doing the swerve challenge. As you can see, we got level 1, which is the pump, level 2, which is the construction cone, and level 3, turning the camera around.
Yo.
We're gonna be swerving more.
Oh man.
So yeah, it's gonna be a little crazy today. Hopefully we don't hit one. Let's get into the video. Alright gang, we got the first swerve object right here. As you can see, we're gonna put her down like that. We're gonna come down and straight swerve it. Your boy's a little nervous, even though I think, you know, I got the swerves in my pocket, but we'll see. I haven't really been on the 450 as much as I would like to be, but we're gonna swerve some shit today. All right, stage 1 of the swerve challenge is going down right now. Let's go. Let's go. I need to get a little closer. I was a little far though, right? Or
A little far, you gotta go a little closer.
I got a little closer, right? Maybe I'll slow down a little bit. I'm a little scared, bro. Swerve number 2. I want to see if I can go a little closer. Woo. That was a little closer, it felt. I'm still going so fast. Was that a little closer?
That was way closer.
That was a little closer?
Way closer.
I just feel like I'm going so fast. We're gonna do one last attempt with the pump, stage 1. I've already done it twice. The second time I got a little close, but this third time, bro, if I don't hit, I'm gonna try to get like inches, bro. So I might, you know, I might swift it a little bit, but we're getting close to this one. Yo, that one had to have been close.
That was close.
That was close, right?
That was close.
Ooh, I felt like I almost nipped that pump, bro.
That was close.
All right, bro. Let's go to stage 2 of the cone. It's a little more sketchy, a little more heavy. Let's see what happens. All right, stage 2 of the swerve challenge is going down. We're gonna place the pump with this cone. It's a little bigger, a little brighter, so it's gonna be easier to swerve. But you already know, as you've seen with that pump, we got so close. With this, we're even getting closer. Let's go. All right, we're about to hit the first swerve of this cone, stage 2 of the swerve challenge. Let's get it. Woo! Yes, sir. We got close on that one, boy. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, for my first attempt on that one, it felt really good. I got a lot closer than I expected. I really want to like get so close to nipping it, but I'm just scared that, you know, it's a bigger cone. If I touch it, it's gonna make my bike wobble. So it's just a scary situation, but let's go for attempt 2. We're on attempt number 2 of the swerve. I'm in second gear if y'all are wondering. I am shift locking. Let's go. That one felt really good. I felt like, I don't know which one is closer or not. I don't know if it was the first one or second one, but let's ask Mar. Hey, which one was closer, the first or second? Or are they about similar?
They're about similar.
About similar? All right, we're on the 3rd attempt. This one I'm going balls out to the walls out. You feel?
Let's get it.
All right, 3rd attempt, final attempt. I want to see if I can go a little slower, but like, oh, that one was, bro, but that one was my closest.
That one was close.
God damn. All right, we're about to swerve more. I'm a little scared, but oh my god.
Ah! Yo.
Is this?
I don't feel that serious.
You don't? I feel a little scary. I'm like trying not like, the pressure's on you when there's an actual person, because it's like, I can't f up, you know, like I gotta do it.
All right, let's go. That was so hard. That right there, what you call the swerve.
Let's go. Yes, sir. Them quad vibes, bro. Woo! Yes, sir. You gotta watch out for the abandoned car, bro. That abandoned car will get you. Or stolen car, whatever the hell it is. Woo! Let's go.
On camera shot.
No, yeah. Hey, aren't we all? We all are. No, yeah. What's your name, bro? Tristan Lars.
You're MotoBroo, right?
Yeah, MotoBroo.
Hell yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
I was surprised somebody was out here. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, it was just, we were just filming like a swerve challenge video, trying to swerve him and. Yes, sir. Look at homie. We got Bike Life 407 out here. Them 407 vibes. Yes, sir. Ooh, hop into the seat. The thing about like the quads, as you see it's like a safety point. That bar makes him not be able to flip back. So when he takes his foot off the brake, you can sort of just scrape the bar. Woo! Hey, that don't scare you when it falls back like without your foot on the brake?
I'm kind of used to it now.
I feel like it's gotta be a scary feeling, like.
Okay, yeah. Especially since I haven't rode in a minute, so I'm trying to like.
No, yeah.
Hit the brake again. I'm like, yo, hitting it too hard.
Bro, you're killing it though, bro. For just popping out, bro. A little warm up run, you're going in.
Well, this shit's worked out too.
Oh, bro, this it's so hot, bro. How's it feel?
Yo, 1 out of 10, this is 1,000.
1,000, let's go.
1,000, man.
Big 450 for the win.
Woo! That jump really swervy.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I get a 450, it's over.
It's over.
If I get a 450, it's over.
Alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. A little swerve challenge on the big 450. I'm so glad I didn't have to run into more. Woo! Got a little sketchy right there. But remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. We got merch in the description. You got anything you want to say for the outro, Mar? I appreciate you being in the video, helping film.
Oh, just know that swerve challenge was scary.
Facts. Facts. Hey, love you, gang. Peace.